Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to boost your income and make money online faster, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we're going to share with you 9 proven methods that can help you start making money online more quickly than you might think. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. 1. Freelancing. Number 1 on our list is freelancing. If you have skills like writing, graphic design, programming, or digital marketing, you can offer your services on platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr. Many businesses are looking for freelance talent, so you can start making money almost immediately. 2. Online tutoring. Are you an expert in a particular subject? Consider online tutoring. Platforms like Chegg, Tutor.com, and VIPKid offer opportunities to teach students around the world. This can be a rewarding way to earn money while helping others learn. 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn money by promoting products or services. Sign up for affiliate programs of companies you love, and earn a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. Share these links on your blog, social media, or YouTube channel. 4. Dropshipping. Looking to start an online store without the hassle of inventory? Dropshipping might be your answer. With platforms like Shopify, you can set up a store, and when customers order, the products are shipped directly from the supplier. You earn the difference between the wholesale and retail prices. 5. Content creation. If you enjoy creating content, platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram offer opportunities to monetize your creativity. As your followers grow, you can earn money through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. 6. Online surveys and market research. Participating in online surveys and market research can be a quick way to earn some extra cash. Websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research offer rewards for your opinions on various products and services. 7. Ebooks and online courses. If you're knowledgeable about a certain topic, consider creating and selling ebooks or online courses. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable make it easy to share your expertise and earn money from interested learners. 8. Stock photography and video footage. If you're into photography or videography, you can sell your work on stock platforms like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock. Businesses and creators are always in need of high-quality visuals. 9. Virtual assistants. Last but not least, offer your administrative or creative skills as a virtual assistant. Many entrepreneurs and businesses are willing to pay for help with tasks like email management, social media scheduling, and customer support. There you have it, 9 proven ways to make money online faster. Remember, while these methods can help you start earning quickly, they still require dedication, effort, and consistency. Choose the methods that align with your skills and interests, and don't be afraid to explore multiple avenues. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and best of luck on your online money-making journey. See you in the next video.